Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I also want to welcome all the new subscribers. I've got a highly demanded video because looks like people can't drive traffic circles. So if you're one of them, please watch this video and maybe also share the video to others so that they can learn how to drive a freaking traffic circle. Normally your road markings will be indicated on the road in front, as you can see here. So we're gonna take the right line first. You can go straight and indicator to exit. Another way you can use the right lane is to go right. So right the indicator on and around we go. Whee! And left indicator to exit. Then lastly for the center lane, you can go all around. And go out the way you came in. The people either think I'm lost or I'm an idiot. But it's for you guys. So you better leave that luck. Now what can you do with the left lane? Well, you can go straight, not around, because if you go totally around, you're gonna get sideswiped and you're in the wrong. Then also other thing that you can do on the left lane is of course go left. How did we not know that? You can go left. But always watch for the road signs. Like you can see here in Nepal. With the right lane, this one can only go right. You can't go straight, and the left lane can actually only go straight. So it's important just to watch your road signs. Then also if there's already somebody in the big circle, that person has right of way. If it's a tiny circle, then you basically treat it as a four-way stop. But still, if there's somebody in that circle, that person's got right of way. And you stop. Thank you. So let us do a recap. If you're on the right hand lane, you are allowed to go straight, right, or the way you came in from. If you're in the left lane, you are allowed to go left, obvious, and you are allowed to go straight. That's the maneuvers you are allowed to do on a dual lane circle. But there is a but. Always look at the road traffic signs, signage on the road or boards. It will tell you exactly what to do, because at some places the circles might differ slightly due to layout. And with the small one, use it as a four-way stop, right of way to the person that's in the circle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is just the basics of a traffic circle. If you have any other questions or any video ideas, comment them below. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking the video. You guys must have an awesome day, be safe, and cheers!